Good morning, all of you. Welcome again in a new day, new morning with new chapter and your same teacher, Ojashwini, and my same students. है ना? So, guys, whatever makes you feel bad, just leave it. And whatever makes you smile, keep it. And I hope that this GK class makes you smile. Is it? So, our today's topic is anybody have guess? Yes, Space Family Chapter 9. But tell me first that you studied this chapter yesterday? You remember na? Ki when you are studying the chapter before the class, so it will help you, है ना? Makes your learning easy. But I have one complaint that in comment box only few students are answering, and I want to see all of you in the comment box. So I hope from today everybody uh, answering in the comment box. Okay, so chapter 9 is Space Family. The term space is used to denote the entire universe. And in today's class, we are going to introduce some members of the space family. Means we cannot meet the all family members of space. It is too big. But today we are going to meet few of them. So let's introduce the members of space family. Okay, and it is a group of billions of stars of which our own sun is a member. Yes, I know everybody know the answer very well. And this member of space family is known as Milky Way galaxy. Is it? Look, too beautiful, na? The next one is these are small heavenly bodies that become luminous by friction and burn on entering the Earth's atmosphere. And name of this member is meteors. Yes. So guys, in your GK online classes, all the family members come one by one as they are in your GK book. Okay, so don't be confused, the serial number is same in your GK book and in your online class. The next one is comet. Who is comet? So it is a luminous celestial body that goes around the sun, usually with a long shining tail. समटाइम्स वी सी आ ब्राइट स्टार्स ना, और क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग, देखो टूटता तारा, चलो विश करते हैं पूरी होगी, है ना? दैट इज कोमेट. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन इज it is formed when a large star uses up its supply of fuel. And what is its fuel? Hydrogen. Collapse under its own weight and explodes. So, who will tell me the name? Yes, I did not mention the name on the screen. Now you will tell me. Guess and tell me. The member of space family, what is its name? And if your answer is supernova, so your answer is not wrong, it's correct. Yes, and this family member is known as supernova. The next one, these are large meteors that reach the earth. They are highly useful for scientific researches. And not in this round white surface. From the upside, one shining star is coming. Yes, very small, है ना? And that is, tell me the name. Yes, meteorite. Very good. You are thinking that comet, meteors, and meteorite, all three are looking same, but all three are not exactly same. When you will read about that, you will know the difference between all three. And the next family member is nebula. So let's introduce with nebula. These are clouds of gases that exist between the stars and glow due to the radiation of the light of the stars. And name of this family member of space family is nebula. है ना? When you go through for these images or for these family members of space, you will get some more different pictures also, but don't be confused, है ना? And did you know the Betelgeuse or Alpha Orionis, one of the largest stars known, is located 640 light years away from the Earth. It is the second brightest star in the constellation, constellation Orion, and the ninth brightest star in the sky, and its name is Betelgeuse. So guys, today we meet the 6 members of space family, है ना? I hope you glad and feel good after this meeting. So now it's your homework time. Identify and write name of the heavenly bodies in the blank of chapter 9. हाँ, one problem is there that page of this chapter is black. So you can do one thing that I hope some student have na plastic crayon, white plastic crayon, है ना? With that color you can also write and it will seen, or mark whitener, or you can also do one thing that you will write the name in a plain paper, है ना, and paste it in the place of blank. It will also good, is it? So for today, thank you, have a nice day. We'll meet you again with a new chapter. Goodbye.